What's going on, guys? It's Evo 9 back at it again today. It is super cold in my garage right now. Fall season or winter season has come early. I don't know what's going on, but it's super cold now in Washington, and I'm videoing right early in the morning. I've been really wacky on my uploads and video time, so I'm still trying to figure out what's the best time to record. You remember what I told you about my last video saying, hey, I installed something wrong. Unfortunately, I won't be doing this on this video because the parts that I'm supposed to install correctly hasn't arrived yet. I made this video because a lot of people have been DMing me on my Instagram and a few comments on my videos before saying, hey Genesis, what kind of lip do you have and how did you install it? So in this video, I'll be showing you how I installed it and show you the differences between the two lips on the Evo 8 and the Evo 9. So stay tuned. I'm not even gonna pop my garage door open because it's super cold out there. Got my ghetto lighting here, clutter everywhere on that side. I don't want to focus on that. I have the bottom line, well, I have the ChargeSpeed bottom line carbon fiber lip. As you can see, battle damage from being so low life problems, guys, and I want to try to do something to mitigate that later on before it gets totally crapped out. Now be warned, guys, if you have an Evo 8, this has a different lip to it. It's quite similar, but the fit on those are different, and I'll show you in a moment the difference between the two. Let me take this bumper off and I can show you how I installed it so you can get a better picture on the bolts and all the stuff I did to install this lip. So let's go do that first. So it's always hard taking out the bumper. Every time I take it out, I always fear of having my headlights scratched or whatnot. Good thing I put protective film on it, so every time that, actually let me show you. Every time that I take out my bumper, it always hits on the side of the headlights. That's why it's a good thing I put these clear protective film on it so it doesn't get scratched up. As you can tell, here's that power brace that I did on my last video. Still looking very nice. Yeah, I love that color match with my valve cover. One of the issues that I always have, guys, I don't know if you have this, if you're an Evo owner, Evo 8 or 9, or I think any other car, you taking out these side bolts from the side of the bumper to that connects to the fender, that's always tricky because you always have to, you know, peel back this splash shield right here to get to that bolt. Now I'm still deciding whether I should go quick release and install those quick release buttons right here, since I do take out my bumper a lot nowadays. I don't know if I'm a big fan of the quick release bumper yet. I don't know, maybe in the future I'll probably install it, but it leaves that little button right here, which kind of doesn't look clean, but at the same time it is very functional and it does save you a lot of time, and at the same time prevent this from happening right here, which is this stress crack on where it connects. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the quick release bumper kit. Should I get them? Should I not get them? Will it mess up with the clean look of the car? I want to know your guys' opinion. Leave it in the comment section below. Thanks, guys. So yeah, let's get back to the lip. What I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm actually gonna flip this over, and so you can see how I installed the bottom line lip. This is actually my first time seeing what's underneath my lip after scraping so many times, kind of nervous to actually look under here, but that's the price to pay for being low. It's just the nature of the beast, guys. So let's take a look right now. Oof, look at that. Actually, yeah, that's not cool, guys. Ouch. So maybe just a few more runs and I need to get another lip. But if you get this bottom line lip, it'll cost you around 800 bucks shipped. Yeah, it wasn't cheap. I don't know if the body shop can work its wonders. Maybe I'll throw this in with the bumper to the body shop so they can fix this damage right here. I mean, it's not chipped or anything, it's just scratched. But if you look on the face right here, you can barely tell that it got scratched up, except for the little corners right here. But that's just me. I'm very OCD like that, and this thing like right here kind of bothers me for a few weeks. Then later on I'm just saying, oh well, this is how it is. I'll take this lip off so I can walk you through how to install this lip. All right, so I didn't record myself unbolting everything, just went straight to it. As you can see right there, and this is actually my first time popping this off since I actually installed it. Let me pop it out right quick. Like so. Forgot to take that piece out right there. Hold on. Boom. Let me show you what I'm talking about when I talked about the stock lip versus the SE lip. This is the, if you have the base Evo 9, obviously it came with the base stock OEM lip right here. Now the SE lip has that pretty cool air dam right here, and you can, it's very clear. I'll show you on the picture right here what it looks like. But those are the difference between that. You can't install that lip without this lip. So I get a lot of questions saying, hey, can I install that lip with the SE lip? No, you cannot, because it's oriented differently. So what I mean by that is right here. If you look at this little dip on the corner right here, that's where the bottom line lip sits, flush with it right there, and that's why you need this lip. Now if you take a look at the Evo 9 bottom line lip, as you can see how it contours right here, this little hump right there actually flushes with this lip right here. So I actually have the Evo 8 bottom line lip right here. Now this, I'm actually prepping up. You can see how I have all the packaging ready. I'm packaging this up from my last giveaway to give to Proud Problem. But before I ship it to him, it's actually a good video opportunity to show you guys the difference between the two lips. Evo 9 lip has this little hump right here. The Evo 8 bottom line lip is straight flushed out. So that's what I was saying, that if you get the Evo 8 bottom line lip, it will not fit with the Evo 9 stock lip right there, unless you do a Evo 8 conversion lip, which most Evo owners actually end up converting to the Evo 9 lip anyways. So I don't know how will that work unless you convert to the Evo 8 bumper. Now for me to have installed that lip did not come with any hardware at all. So I had to buy my own hardware. I went to Home Depot and got these nuts and bolts. Doesn't matter what size, just don't get ones too big. But I got washers, bolts, nuts, and lock washers as well. And along with these plastic pop rivets right here. Another thing that you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up having to drill holes on your stock lip as well. And when I installed that lip, I didn't actually install it like this. I actually was under the car installing that lip and drilling those holes. Now it is a lot easier if you go and take off the whole bumper and install it, so that you can know exactly where to drill those holes and prevent this from happening. So that's lesson learned for me next time, because if you mess up this bumper lip right here, it's not cheap. So it's actually not cheaper for me because I do have a custom white, and if I did buy a OEM pre-painted OEM lip like this, it won't match the white I have now, because the Wicked White is a lot yellowish in color than this paint that I got for the car. So as you can see, the one that I'm giving Proud Problem for winning the giveaway, which is this beautiful beautiful mint bottom line lip. And again, just note, these two are the same price. They do offer FRP. I think that's like a plastic version, plasticky version of this, which is still ChargeSpeed, but a lot cheaper in price. But again, if you choose the carbon fiber version, it is a lot more. Again, these comes with pre-drilled holes already. That's the one you get when you buy it, and then I just enlarged it about a quarter inch diameter bigger, as you can see right there. And all of them comes with these tabs as well, where you can put those plastic rivets on there, but I don't think these are very functional anyways. I depend mostly on these to hold on to it really well. This is the one I was talking about, where that hump flushes with that dip right here. So it's a straight out puzzle. It's kind of like a guideline, so you know that your lip is straight. So there it is, a closer look, guys, where it connects. Bolting that on, fairly easy, pretty straightforward. Just bolt it right there and follow all the holes. So everything's installed, guys. Everything is bolted right underneath. As you can see, check your clearance right there. You can see that there's a clearance between the bumper and the lip. So you know that everything looks good. The same thing on the other side. There is a slight clearance right there, about a half or a quarter inch gap. But check along the sides right here. See if you see anything like big gaps or whatnot. It should be flush like that, all the way from end to end. This is one of my favorite lips, guys. I don't know, it just adds a really clean look. You don't have to take this out. It's just an addition to it. Given if you do end up getting this lip, it will lower your car about, let's see, 1.5 inches lower. So be mindful when you're rocking coilovers that you don't want to go super low, because this will scrape, just like what happened right here. And again, I've done it to, I'm still trying to tweak it to the right spot where I don't have much scrapage going on, but this will happen. And at the moment, I'm still trying to figure out what to do to prevent that from happening. Stay tuned, because I might have an idea in place at the moment. So yeah, so that's how the lip looks at the moment. Again, I'm not going to be putting the lip, or I'm not going to be putting the bumper back on. Again, it's really hard to put the bumper on, especially like what I mentioned earlier in the video of putting the bolts from end to end. It's really difficult. Let me know in the comment section below, again, like what I mentioned about the quick release bumper modification. Is it clean? Will it ruin the clean look? Is it a good idea? Because I'm still on the edge of whether I should get it or not. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Again, guys, the reason why I chose the ChargeSpeed lip is because it looks really clean on the Evo, and it doesn't add too much, or just doesn't add too much, or it's a not over the top look. And as you know me, I like that clean look, guys. I won't go to, personally, I'm not gonna go any other type of lip. I think I'll be rocking the ChargeSpeed lip for a very long time, not unless I go back to the SE lip, which is the special edition stock lip. And those are the only two lips that, in my taste, that I really like. So stay tuned for my next video, because that part will actually be, it's actually on its way right now. That's why I'm not taking, or I'm not putting back this bumper on, because it'll be a lot easier to install that piece. I'm not gonna say anything yet. stay tuned for that next video. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in this channel. Thank you if you made it this far to the video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for everyone who continue to buy and support my merchandise. I just made a website. It's really cool. You guys go check it out. I'll leave the link down below. Support the Evolve. It's my new clothing brand. Hopefully, I hope you guys continue to support. I have new stickers on the website. Go check it out. I know I only have a few merchandise as of now, but I will have more, so stay tuned. Again, guys, it really helps if you hit that like button. Hit it if you like this video, and especially, guys, hit that subscribe button down below so that you can always be in tune of the future of my Evo and my Prelude as well. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you next video. Have a good night.